This is how to make Red Lobster biscuits at home. You pour all the powder into this bowl, and you save this little packet here.
Calls for half a cup of cheese, but I use a cup. It just tastes better.
Sounds good to me. Let's put a cup in there.
Okay. And then 3/4 cup of water. Not quite full.
It's got all the directions on the back here. You just follow the directions. Put in your powder, your cheese, your water, and you stir it up. You don't even need anything fancy here. You get out a baking sheet, put some parchment paper on it. That way it doesn't stick to the pan and make a bunch of cleanup. And then we're just gonna do like a spoonful of these. A spoonful makes the perfect size biscuit. You just spoon all these on there. And then we'll use our garlic pouch. Then we'll follow our instructions there with a 1/4 cup butter and then the 1 pouch of the garlic herb blend. We'll melt it and then we'll pour it onto these biscuits.
When they're done.
When they're done. Some people say it has to do with altitude, but we're at about 900 feet and we only do 10 minutes. 14 to 16 minutes would be too long. So that's something you'll have to kind of figure out through your baking experience.
Could just be my oven.
It could just be our oven. Could have nothing to do with altitude. Our oven could just run hot. All right, we'll put them in the oven. Okay, now we're gonna melt a 1/4 cup of butter to put on the biscuits. The tricky part about melting butter is you have to be careful about your temperature, because if you just put it on 30 seconds, it could blow up. But I think with a 1/4 cup, we should be okay. All right, it doesn't look like it blew up. I heard a pop, but we were okay. There's our butter. Now we're gonna put our little packet in there, our garlic seasoning. Just use a little whisk there and stir it up. Now we're just gonna pour it on our biscuits. Or you can just take a biscuit and dip it, and then you got one perfect biscuit there. And it's not quite as messy that way. Pretty fancy. All right, there you go. There's the Red Lobster biscuits. They're pretty good.